Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a gluten-free recipe. I know many of you asked me to show you some gluten-free recipe and here it is. I prepared today 3 ingredients tortillas. So let me show you the recipe. First, you have to weigh 150 grams of red lentils and add 300 milliliters water. Now you have to let the lentils soak for at least 3 hours, and meantime you can do whatever you want, maybe to read a good book and enjoy your coffee. After 3 hours, blend the soaked lentils together with the water. Season with salt and pepper. I added 1 teaspoon of salt. So the texture should be similar to the pancakes mixture. Heat a non-stick frying pan and grease it with oil. Transfer the batter to the pan and spread it evenly to a thin circle. Cook till the upper side begins to harden. Repeat with the remaining batter till you finish the tortillas. As simple as that. So all you need for these gluten-free tortillas is salt, pepper and red lentils. So this is the final result. I made 6 small tortillas, so in case you want them to be bigger, it's your choice, make them bigger. And this can be eaten as tacos, or you can just fill in with your favorite ingredients and eat them as you like. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in case you try these gluten-free tortillas, use the hashtag #SecretsInTheOven on Instagram and also on Facebook. I would love to see the pictures of your gluten-free tortillas. So now it's time for me to fill in with my favorite ingredients, and I wish you a great day ahead and bon appetit!